The iconic Volkswagen Beetle is back in 2025 with a bold, futuristic twist. Known for its historic charm and unique identity, the new Beetle reimagines its classic silhouette with a performance-driven and premium design approach. This isn't just a reboot, it's a complete evolution that blends heritage with cutting-edge innovation. From the moment you see it, the 2025 Beetle commands attention. Its sculpted body is wider and lower, with a more aggressive stance that speaks of sportiness and confidence. The signature round shape is still there, but now it's more aerodynamic, enhanced by sleek LED matrix tail lamps, bold fender flares, and a distinctive rear diffuser. The gloss red paint finish combined with blacked-out accents gives it a modern, performance-oriented vibe. Dual exhaust outlets, a low-slung roofline, and alloy wheels up to 20 inches in size complete the look of a hot hatch that's ready to turn heads. Under the hood, Volkswagen has stepped things up. The new Beetle is powered by a turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine, pushing out around 250 horsepower with smooth delivery. Paired with a 7-speed dual-clutch transmission, the drive is both responsive and fun. Some variants may even offer an all-electric option, bringing instant torque, near-silent driving, and an estimated range of over 300 miles. Adaptive suspension tuning gives you a choice between comfortable cruising and dynamic handling, perfect for both city streets and winding highways. Step inside, and you're greeted with a surprisingly upscale interior. The cabin is designed with a driver-first approach, featuring a fully digital instrument cluster, a wide touchscreen infotainment system with haptic feedback, and support for wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Premium materials like soft touch panels, leather-trimmed seats, and brushed aluminum accents give it a refined, modern feel. Ambient lighting adds to the mood, and the panoramic sunroof opens up the cabin with natural light. There's also more space than previous generations, making it more practical for daily use. Safety hasn't been forgotten either. The 2025 Beetle comes packed with Volkswagen's latest IQ Drive safety suite. That includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and autonomous emergency braking. A surround view camera, rear cross-traffic alert, and parking assist system also make urban driving easier and safer. The structural rigidity of the new platform adds further crash protection, and multiple airbags ensure comprehensive coverage. The 2025 Volkswagen Beetle brings together nostalgia and next-gen innovation in one bold package. Whether you're a longtime fan or discovering it for the first time, this modern Beetle delivers a powerful blend of style, performance, and technology.